Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a data frame in Collab. I hope you see my screen. So let me scroll up here. So I'm here in Collab. I went to my browser, I typed in Collab and opened this page, basically. Then up here, File, I clicked Open a new notebook in Drive. Or if you are really fresh to this, let me see if I can do that. I can go back. Okay, see. Okay. So once you log into Google Colab, let me go to Google Colab to show you from start what I did. All right. Google Colab. Just moving non-stop. Right here. So here, open notebook. That's not what I wanted to do, sorry. Give me 1 second to fix this. I need to open a notebook in Drive. Open a new notebook in Drive. New notebook in Drive, like this. This will open fresh Google Colab notebook. You see this? This is a cell, code cell where you write your code, but we also have a text cell like this one. And if I double click, I can write anything I want. So today I want to create a data frame with 2 columns and 5 rows. To do that, I need to use some Python libraries, which are numpy and Pandas. So I need to import the required libraries first. So let's import numpy as PD and Pandas as, import numpy as NP and import Pandas as PD, and then run it. When you click this, it will run like that. And then if I open another code cell, we have to create and populate a 5x2 numpy array first. To create my data frame, so first I need to create a data. So my data equals. So I use numpy to create the array because numpy is used for creating arrays. So np.array is like this, and my array is like basically 5 sets of 2. So I choose any data, let's say 0, 3. This is my first set. The second one, okay, let's say 10 and 7. The third one, let's say 8 and 9, and so on. Maybe 30, 15. Let's see, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. I need 5. So 40, 15, 16, etc. So if I want to make it longer, but I only want 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. This is my data. Now I need to create what? To create the column names. Create column names. Create column names. I will use my column names. Temperature, activity. So every data you see here, 0 is for the temperature, 3 for the activity. These are going to be the column names. And this array here is going to be the cell, the data in the cells. We have 10 cells because we have 5 rows, 2 columns. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now I'm going to create my data frame. Now create a data frame. I'm going to call my data frame, my data frame, which equal to pd dot data frame. But notice how I wrote the D capital, the F capital. Then my data is provided by my data, the one I created, the array I created using numpy. And the columns are provided by the set I created. Sorry. Column, okay, like this. Equal what? Equal this, my column names. That's how, this is where I get my column names. Equal my column names, like this. Now I can print my data frame. So print the entire data frame using simply using frame like this print function. Then I can pass this variable here, print my data frame, and this will print the whole data. So that's why I stored the data frame inside the variable called my data. Now, I will remove that. I don't know where this comes from, but anyways. So creating and populating the 5x2 numpy array, this will create the records in the cells, and then create the column names. This will create the column names, and then my data frame is created using this line of code, pd data frame data from my data, and columns from my column names, getting these names. Then if I print, first of all, I need to run the numpy and the pandas, and then run this. I will see a table basically that has 2 columns, temperature and activity, has 5 rows, and we have 10 records in both, combining both. So we have 5 rows, 2 columns. So basically, rows 0, record 0, 0 for temperature, 3 activity. The first row, the second row, which is row number 1, has a 10, 7. This is how we read this table. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Next time, I will show you how to add a new column to a data frame. But that's it for today. I will stop the recording and follow my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.